Hello, it's Renat. This is my second part of the screencast series for 4.2.0 version of Talend ESB, and I will going to show how to install Talend Administration Center for the Talend ESB version 4.2.0. So in my previous screencast, you have seen how to install and unpackage the SUM server and drop it into a Tomcat. So you can see my Tomcat is running. I have my SUM server bar placed in that. You also can see here the database which is running. It's a Derby database, Tomcat, and a Zookeeper. So we have everything running. And one issue with my previous screencast was that the configuration of the Talend ESB was not correctly shown there in the screencast. If you go to the etc in container and then there's a SUM configuration for the agent, it should be here, this URL. So it's HTTP localhost 8080 SUM server var services and then monitoring server SOAP. This URL you can see over here if you launch a SUM server into Tomcat, and then you can see this URL over here. So here, endpoint address, this is exactly that. But now going back to the TAC. So I have here my distribution that you can find on the FTP server, and the TAC is a part of the Enterprise Edition. So just a second. Here's my distribution. So you will find there the Talend ESB TAC Enterprise Edition 4.2.0. Then I will just extract it here. And then there will be a directory which is TAC release number. The release number is very important, and 63143 is our 4.2.0 final release. And inside you will find a one var file. We will just copy this var file and drop into the Tomcat web apps directory. It's here. Paste. And now we just need to wait a little. So as you can see here, we have a new folder which is automatically created by Tomcat as soon as web application is deployed. And now we can go to the browser to this folder, so it's org Talend administrator, and then you will see the TAC. So here you need to enter the password. Password is admin, and just accept the default settings. You just gonna need a license, so I will just set a new license. The license is also provided from the license generator, or the temporary license is provided from the FTP server. So I'm going to take my temporary license upload. Now the license check will be okay, and then we can log into as an administrator. So admin at company.com, and the password is admin. Now we need to create a new user. So we go to users. So you see we have only one user right now. We will create a new user. Password is user, for example, here. Actually, the email and password doesn't really matter. I'm just creating user at company.com. And now we can log out and say user at company.com, and the password is user. Here you go. So now you see the ESB user interfaces, which is the service locator and the service activity monitoring. Right now my service activity monitoring is empty. I just cleaned up the database, and my Zookeeper is not empty because I forgot to clean up it. I can just do it right now. So here you go. One last tip here. Your Zookeeper can run on different ports. You can configure the Zookeeper connection port over here in the configuration. You will see now the ESB configuration here. So here you can see the ESB configuration, and you can also enter multiple Zookeeper servers here. That's it. Thank you.